Have you ever wondered what primetime TV looks like in Tokyo? Or what the local news is saying right now in Brazil? What if I told you there's an interactive map that lets you tune into live TV and radio from almost every country on earth for completely free? If you like the sound of that, then stick around and please like, subscribe and share. So I've got my globe in front of me here, and you've got two options, TV and radio. At the moment I'm on TV because I want to find out different TV channels from different countries. Let's find Japan. So Japan is around here, that's Japan, and if you scroll all the way to the right, you've got this list of all the channels in Japan. So if you scroll down, you've got a whole host of channels in Japan. Let me choose one. Let me choose this one, RCC News 24, and on the left side it will show that channel for you. Okay, I've lowered the volume so you can't hear it, but you can see the channel in action. If I scroll up, got this one, and you've got the news playing there. Choose a different one, and there's another channel there playing from Japan. If you're happy, you've done with Japan, click on the cross, go back to the globe. Let's find a different country now. Let's find Brazil. Here, you've got a list of channels on the right side, and you can choose a channel you want to play. There you go. On the left side, the channel is now playing, and let's scroll down. You got a whole host more channels here from Brazil than you have in Japan. Let's click on TV Brazil there. Now, just as a disclaimer, some channels may take time to load up. You maybe find that some streams are unavailable, but in essence, 90% of the channels are working. And I want to add a disclaimer. Let me click on the cross here. Let's say you are in the UK watching TV. You click on United Kingdom. On the right side, you've got a list of programs, but not only that, you've got a list of channels. And I'm going to put a disclaimer here. The disclaimer is if you're in the UK wanting to watch live TV, you need a TV license. Let me click on BBC News Europe. You've got BBC News Europe here on the left side. Let me scroll down. BritAsia TV. And on the left side, you've got BritAsia TV playing. And scroll down one more time. CNBC UK. You've got CNBC UK there. Let me click on the cross. Let me go to America. Click on America from the globe, and on the right side it will show you the list of channels from America. Let's choose a channel to click on. So many, AWE International. Let's see what this is all about. Sometimes you have to wait. Sometimes they may not work. There you go, this one's loaded up there. And you got a whole host of channels from America as well to choose from. Fingers hurting because I'm scrolling a lot. So click on the cross once you're happy. Choose a country you want to display the channel for, and just select the channel list on the right. And you can do the same with the radio. Click on radio, and on the right side it will give you all the country names. And what you simply do, let's say Congo, you can choose a radio here, and you can hear the audio from that radio station. And now you're probably wondering, what is this website called? This works on your web browser on your device, but it also works on your mobile. The website is called famelac.com, and I hope this has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.